this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a clustered column chart. I want to create a clustered column chart that shows revenue generated by sales rep. I'll need to use both the clustered column chart and a slicer visualization. First, we will create the clustered column chart. In report mode, under visualizations, click on clustered column chart. In fields area, click sales rep and then amount. This created a column chart that shows the total amount, in this case gross profit, by sales rep. Notice you can move your mouse over each column to see more information. I can modify what is shown on the clustered column by adding a slicer visualization. For example, if I want the clustered column chart to show the amount of revenue generated by each sales rep, I will need to add a slicer visualization for general ledger category. To do this, in report mode, under visualizations, click on slicer. In the fields area, click on general ledger. To show revenue only in the clustered column chart, click on revenue in the slicer. That's it, we're done. This video was created and narrated by Tracy Miller Nobles and is part of the Power BI Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.